Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get the Bear Voice filter on Snapchat. Really easy to do, just takes like literally 30 seconds. So all you have to do is head over to Snapchat, and you want to open up a new Snapchat here and just record a quick video of either your face and your voice or just your voice, and then I'll show you guys where to go. So you just want to record a quick video here with your voice. This is the Bear Voice. This is the Bear Voice. So now all you guys have to do is, I just muted my mic just so you guys can hear me, but all you have to do now is you want to long press on the like volume rock area where I just pressed. You want to hold down and long press, and then you'll be able to open up all these options here for filters for your sound, and then you just go on the Bear Voice.
This is the Bear Voice.
And that's how easy it is.
This is the Bear Voice.
I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.